Hello, nice to see you here on YouTube. So today's video, I'm going to talk about how I make money as a stay-at-home mom slash homeschooler slash, teacher, chauffeur, everything else. So I have 3 kids. I homeschool them. They're all involved in sports. We have a busy life. My husband and I also own a brick and mortar business here, but as I will talk about later in the video, what he and I both do online actually it didn't replace, but actually is more than the income we make from our brick and mortar business that we have here in our town. So I'm going to tell you guys 5 online opportunities plus the online opportunity that I personally use. So 6 in total of how you can make money, from home and around your schedule, because that's super important if you have little ones that you're taking care of or homeschooling. Homeschooling alone takes up about 4 hours of my day. So I definitely need something that I can kind of do when I have the time, kind of fit it into those nooks and crannies of life, right? That's what we need. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. Now, all these are going to be legitimate work from home opportunities. There is no scams here, and there is no MLMs or anything like that. But, MLMs are a great way to make money. Also, I'm sure for some people, I have tried them in the past. They don't work for me. So we'll just leave that there. But these are going to be just ways that you can quickly kind of get started. And most of these you can even get started today with them, and you don't need a lot of previous experience or previous skills. So the very first opportunity is proofreading and editing. And let me show you the website for this one. Now, I will leave links, of course, in the description to every website that I'm going to talk about today. So the first one is getproof.com. You can go on here and you can actually get paid to edit and proofread all kinds of things. So sign up and get started, and then you can start picking your jobs that you want to do. So you can proofread student work like essays, papers, PhD proposals, business and professional things like resumes, blogs, websites, press releases, speeches, edit books for authors, ebooks, novels, thesis and research papers, everything. If you need to kind of brush up on your editing, proofreading skills, if you're not sure if you're, up to where you need to be to do this professionally, make money doing it, this particular website is cool because it actually has training. So if you scroll down here to the bottom of the website, you can go to this Proofreading Academy, and you can actually learn how to proofread and edit, at that professional level. I'm sure a lot of you, if you're homeschooling, are already proofreading and editing things for your kids. So why not do this and get paid to do it? So that is the first opportunity. Very cool. The second thing I want to tell you guys about is VIP Kid. So VIPKidTeachers.com is the website. I know a lot of people probably already know about this if you're a mom or a homeschooler, but I wanted to put this in the video because if you don't, it is just an awesome way to make money online. You do have to have a bachelor's degree, and you're actually it says here, you can earn up to $22 an hour. You teach English online, pick your own hours, be your own boss. You're actually going to be teaching children from China. And as the website states, there are over 600,000 students and only 70,000 teachers. So there's a huge demand for this right now. So this is a great way to just get started quick, and you can make money teaching children. And you can fit this into your schedule. You can fit this into your life to do as little or as much as you want. The next way, this is kind of cool. This is a virtual assistant. So you can actually go on to Upwork.com, and you can actually sign up to be a freelance virtual assistant. You set your pay, you set your hours, everything, and you can actually help people with all kinds of tasks. So you don't actually have to have any prior knowledge or skills for this, although certain typing skills and things that you might do online, social media, networking, things like that would definitely help, and those can probably get you a little bit more money per hour, or you can apply for more jobs with those. But what you can do is, let's just take this for example. She charges $20 an hour. She's made over $70,000 this year. And it says she can help you with your business or personal life, such as social media, posting, or even scheduling hair appointments. So you can just do anything that someone would need done online. You can help them do it. Next idea or online opportunity that I have for you is a transcription job from home. This is at rev.com. You can sign up to be a freelance transcriptionist, and you can make money listening to either audio and video and typing what's being said, or become a captioner and watch video and type what is being said. The range of pay is 36 cents to 65 cents a minute for the transcriptionist and 45 cents to 75 cents per minute for the captioner. So you can make around $15, $20, $25 an hour depending on how quickly you can get the captioned typed out. And that can also start right away. You don't need any knowledge or prior skills for this. You just need to be able to type, and you need to have a computer and, you know, some headphones. So this lady here, she has headphones. So I think you need headphones. If you have kids running around your house and they're loud, you're probably going to need really good headphones, or just wait until they go to sleep and then the house is quiet. Okay, so the next idea is, if you have prior skills being a receptionist or in like a call center or anything like that, you can sign up to be a virtual receptionist. So a lot of companies need a receptionist, but they don't actually need you to come in to do so. So it says they operate Monday through Friday from 5 to 9. You can hire both full-time and part-time positions. This would be more like a traditional job from home. And you're actually going to be answering calls, web chats, taking messages, screening clients, booking appointments, collecting payments, transferring calls, giving out business info, and you're actually going to be part of that team. So if you have some experience doing that, just apply to become a virtual receptionist, and that is, like I said, a more traditional job from home. So if you want something that's a little bit more stable and you have set hours, then this might be the opportunity for you. Now I'm going to talk to you guys about what I do personally to make money online, and that is high ticket affiliate marketing. So high ticket affiliate marketing is where you basically are an affiliate marketer for high ticket items that cost a great deal of money, so that when you get a commission for them, your commissions are higher. You don't have to work quite as much for that because you don't have to sell as many things. But I mean, you're still going to be working, but you know what I mean. I'll give the example of Amazon, although this would be a non-high ticket affiliate marketing. This would just be typical affiliate marketing. But in Amazon, if you have a link to a product that you really enjoy, people click on the link and then they buy that item, then you would get a small commission for that. It's like that, but with higher ticket items. So there is actually some really great training here at success.lunchbreaklaunch.com. And with this, you can put in your sign up and get instant access. It is free. There are paid training as you go along, but you can start out with the free training, see how you like it, see if you're learning what you need to know, and all that. Now, with this, as with anything else, what you put into it is what you're going to get out of it. This isn't like a, get rich quick, make money right now, make millions kind of opportunity. This is an opportunity, however, where your success and your growth is limitless. You can really take this as far as you can start out by just supplementing some income, and then you can actually replace a regular 9-to-5, 40-hour-a-week income with this high-ticket affiliate marketing. So as I talked about before, my husband and I do own a business that's a brick-and-mortar business here in our town. But since we have started doing high-ticket affiliate marketing through lunchbreaklaunch.com and taking the training, we actually make more money through this than we do in our brick-and-mortar store. Now, I have just started recently. My husband has been doing this for 4 months. So if you want to know how long it takes, or how long it took him, I guess I should say, to start doing this and making enough to where, a family could actually live off of this income, it took 4 months. But I will say that he also does have more time because he is not the sole kind of teacher in our homeschool. I hope that this video helps if you're wanting to stay at home or you're wanting to homeschool, and but you need to make money in order to do that, as most of us do. So this is a good way to get started. If you guys have any questions at all, please let me know, and I will link all the websites that I talked about in the description down below, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.